In this video, I'll show you a life hack on how to add a custom cameo in Sora 2. Normally, it restricts real humans, but I found a way around it. Let's go.
The latest update allows us to generate characters, but there's a catch. They can't be based on real people. That's exactly why you're here, because I'm going to show you a life hack that gets around that limitation. You can use any generator you like, ChatGPT, free AI models, or tools like FlashBoards. Personally, I'm using FlashBoards because it's fast, flexible, and gives me the control I need. First, find your base model, any reference image you want. Now, make a prompt like drawing version, keep original structure. You can use any image editing tool or generator that supports prompt-based edits. The key is to keep the original structure while transforming it into a stylized version. Once you've created your character image, it's time to animate it. You can use any video generator, but I'll use my own tool because it's all-in-one, affordable, and doesn't require jumping between multiple platforms. I'll upload the character and generate a short animation, something like woman dancing. You can do this in tools like Kling, or even locally in Comfy UI, which is completely free if you have a good PC. Just connect your Comfy UI workflow, test it, and run it. It's that simple. By the way, FlashBoards works perfectly with Comfy UI, and if you haven't seen it yet, check out my previous videos. It's a free option to explore. Alright, now that our character is ready, let's bring her into Sora. Click Upload Video, choose your files. Once uploaded, name your character. I'll call her Kitana Nova. Sounds powerful, right? Then select a category, for example, Professional Fashion Female Model. Save and continue. And that's it. You've just created a fully custom character in Sora using this clever workflow. You're literally one of the first to know about this trick, so don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you found it helpful. You can explore all the characters I've made inside FlashBoards. I'll soon add tags so you can easily find and use them. Now, to make your visuals even better, I recommend choosing high-quality locations and environments. Here's what I usually do. Gather several reference images of outfits, moods, or poses. Convert them into drawing versions. Use these visuals as your style base for music videos, clips, or animation scenes. Then, upload everything back into your workflow. Choose your preferred settings, hit Generate, and watch your animation come to life. Finally, I'll also show how to run the same setup on RunningHub, so you can use cloud GPUs for faster generation. I'll include a link in the description. It's a version without watermarks, so you can get clean outputs right away.
Footsteps on the edge of the morning, heartbeats chasing the breeze. I was lost in the maze of warnings till your voice found me. Every turn, every shadow led me to your light. Now the world feels a little. I'll wander where the echoes hide, following the slow light. The rhythm of the water in my hand, the skyline in your eyes. Every step I take, it all makes sense, like the night and the sunrise.
And that's how you build and animate a custom Sora character. Fully AI-powered, fast, and production-ready. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore FlashBoards for more creative workflows.